A lot of you guys have been asking for a Blofin trading exchange tutorial, so I thought I'd come on here and make a quick video for you guys and give you guys a rundown of this exchange and how to use it. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we are, first things first, you want to go in the description box below or the pinned comment down below and sign up to Blofin if you don't already have an account. Click the link down below. You get a bunch of awesome perks if you use our link, our affiliate link. We don't get paid for it, but we do get benefits if you sign up and trade on it. So feel free to check that out, sign up. And I do want to say there's a lot of awesome perks that you can get. Right now, they're always adding new promotions, but right now there's a promotion where if you trade, you can get up to $5,000 in bonuses. You can get AirPods, a Nintendo Switch, an iPhone, a MacBook, and even a Rolex worth $9,400 if you trade based on trading volume. So if you trade $100 million in trading volume, you get this Rolex. And I know that might sound insane, but if you really think about it, say you deposit $100,000. I know not everyone's going to deposit $100,000 into a leverage trading platform, but if you do and you trade 100 times with that 100,000, well, and you're using a 10x leverage, then you're going to be reaching $100 million trading volume. And it doesn't mean you have to spend it all or lose it all. You can make money as well, and you still can win these prizes. So it's pretty cool. So first things first, after you sign up, check down below in the description box, the pinned comment, sign up to Blofin. And after you get onto the website, you're in the website, it's KYC free. Next thing you're going to want to do is go to assets, and you're going to want to deposit, because you obviously need to move some money over to the exchange. If you want to trade on this exchange, you click deposit, and you'll come up to this screen. And basically, you can deposit on-chain or basically anywhere. Like you can use USDT, you could choose what network you want, and I don't really want to show it on the screen, but then a address will populate, and you can scan it with a QR code off your phone, or you can just copy the address and put it into the wallet wherever you're sending it from. And they have, like this, I'm very, very pleased with this exchange. I've been using it for almost, I would say, about 8 months or so, 9 months or so. And it has a lot of liquidity. It's always having more and more coins added to it. And you can short with size even on some quote-unquote illiquid meme coins. They are not stingy about allowing you to do that. But I will say there's after you already buy, you go to markets. You can look at the markets as well. I say buy after you already deposited your money. You can check out the markets, see what they have to offer. They have a spot, they have futures, and I wanted to show you guys how to really trade, because I think the majority of you asking already have a Blofin account and you want to know how to trade. But if you don't, use the link down below by all means. But I do want to show you this because it is very, very intuitive here. So I didn't do any TA or anything. I'm just going to give you guys a quick example of how you can long or short on this exchange. Say you're looking at TradingView and you're saying, hey, this looks like it's going to come up here, test 94,000 on Bitcoin and reject down. So I want to open up a short position, or I want to enter, or I just want to get in right now. Well, then if you want to, first things first, you want to look at the right-hand side. After you click futures up here, you can get to futures anywhere from the Blofin site. Anytime you're there, you can get to futures. You get onto futures and you can choose what you want. Like I said, they have so many coins. That's why I really love this exchange. They're one of the first people to add a new coin and add perps to it where you can leverage trade it. It's very, very good. But so let's just do Bitcoin, for example, here. So let's say I don't want to limit order in and I want to leverage trade, all right? So you can click over here. You have isolated or cross. I am an isolated leverage trader all day, every day. If you don't know what this means, basically cross leverage is all the money that you have on Blofin will be used as leverage. It will be used as your, basically your underlying asset. So you can use more margin and you'll have more buying power. But if the price is going down, they will take that money and incorporate that into your liquidation price. So I am always an isolated trader. I want to only be using the money that is inside the trade, not any of the money that is inside my entire account, just the trade specifically. So I'm an isolated, and I usually don't like to go crazy leverage. I really don't. I'll use anywhere between 3x to 9x, usually like maximum. But there is a time and place for higher leverage, but usually I'm using leverage to hedge against spot positions, or if I am trying to just kind of have some fun and I think there's a good opportunity to be scalping on high leverage, then maybe I'll do like something crazy like a 20x leverage with extremely tight stop losses. But for this example here, we're just gonna use 3x leverage, and I want to just mark it in. You can limit order in, so say I don't want to enter into my position until Bitcoin reaches 94,000. If we start to reject, then I want to enter my position. I don't even have to be on my computer. I can just have the exchange here. I could do that, and I could just type in, say 94,000 is when I want to enter, and I want to long at that price. I could do that, but for today's example, I want to just market buy here. I'm isolated 3x leverage, and let's say I want to short. I'm going to short. So we're going to go 25% of my position here. I only have $124 in my futures account here right now. Just to show you guys what's going on here, how to do it. This is not the account I will usually use to trade high leverage. I have a separate account. I don't really want to dox myself. Hopefully you can appreciate my honesty about that. But so let's say we're doing 25%. We want to sell short. We want to market in. We'll click sell short. So this means that I'm betting that the price is coming down. I think the price is going to come down. So obviously I'm marketing and I'm immediately in. And now, so when you market in, you obviously pay fees immediately. If you want to really minimize your fees, you always want to limit order in. And so now here's my trade down here. I have Bitcoin USD, sell 3x. So I'm short 3x leverage on I'm using $30. It's not significant at all, but I'm using 3x leverage. So you can see like my P&L here, my realized profit. I haven't, this is my realized profit because that's the fee. That was the fee I paid. But as this price goes into the money, I can take more profit out, and this will change, obviously. My estimated liquidation price is $122,000. So it's very, very minimal. I'm only 3x leverage here. So I have a very, very significant liquidation price. So we would have to see Bitcoin rally from here to 122,000. So if we were to measure that move, you're talking about basically a 35% gain from here. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to set up stop losses in case something like that plays out. So what I'm going to do here, you can add stop losses down here as well. If you want to, here, let me show you this. There's a little bar here. You can move over here as well. And you can add stop losses, trailing stop losses. You can take profit, however you want. But something that's really cool about this is if you click, so this was our entry price right here. If I click this, though, I can do stop loss and take profit, and I can choose where I want that. So my stop loss, in my opinion, I would say, okay, if we break above this support here, right here, if you can see what I'm saying, this is just for a rough example for you guys. If we break above, say, $95,000, we're looking at the hourly time frame. I want to get stopped out because I think that if we break above that, get closures above it, we'll probably continue to go to the upside. So that's where my stop loss will be. So now you can see, like, it's a really cool, intuitive platform because you can just do it like this instead of having to type it in. I like that a lot. You can do both too. You could type it in if you are more comfortable doing that. And also, so let's say I want my take profit. I don't think that we're going to break down below 82,000. So let's start my take profit at a little bit higher than that. So let's say like 86,000, right? About 86,500. So now if I wanted to, I can go to sleep after that. You know, I don't have to monitor the trade significantly. And I am an avid user of stop losses and take profit, especially if I am awake, especially if I'm not awake and I'm going to go to sleep or step away and I can't be bothered focusing on the chart. This is a great way to automate trades as well. If you are a bot trader and you like to have your own bots do your work for you to enter your trades or exit your trades. But personally, I love how intuitive this is. It's very, very simple. And now I could just step away. For the sake of this video, I'll leave this trade open. But I do want to say also, if you are a newer trader and you want to copy trade people, they also offer copy trading here. And you can see, like, I have a copy trading team, but I've not started to do it just yet. I think that, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do that. I think it'd be fun to do it, but it's a lot of pressure trading with other people's money. I'm not going to lie. But you can see, like, all these other people, this person has 111% 30-day ROI, a 54% 30-day ROI. You can just copy it. It's pretty cool that they offer that. This is like a new feature that kind of got brought up over the past, I would say, 2 or 3 years ago. It's starting to become much more popular, especially if you're a newer trader, and you can check that out. And also, on top of that, they also have an earn feature as well. So if you want to just make some money leverage trading and then you want to lock up, take some profit off the table, and you want to lock up getting some APY on your USDT, your ETH, or Bitcoin, they offer it here. Here's the duration. This is flexible, so I assume you can take it out whenever you want. 30 days, obviously you get paid out a little bit more. Flexible for ETH, flexible for Bitcoin. Pretty cool, even though I know it's 0.02%, but just if you want to be holding it and you don't really want to be trading, you don't want to be over trading, you think the market is going a little bit haywire, so you're like, hey, I'm just going to have my money sit here, getting ready for the next trade, so why not make a little bit of an extra APY on it? It's pretty cool. But that's basically it, guys. I mean, there's a lot of different intricacies you could do with this platform, but really I just want to show you how to monitor your trades as well. Like here's my open order, because here's my trailing stop losses and my take profit and my stop loss. You can also set up triggers, which is pretty cool. You can incorporate trading bots, like I was saying. And yeah, guys, so I'm going to leave this trade open. I do think that we probably do come down here, but I doubt we come down all the way to 86,000. There's a big catalyst coming up very soon as of recording of this video on March 7th. There's a crypto summit. Maybe we'll see a big bounce here, or it'll be a non-event and we'll see a sell-off. But just setting up this trade for the sake of this video. And guys, like I said, sign up using in the description box below or the pinned comment down below the link. It's an affiliate link. You can get a $5,000 sign-in bonus, as well as it's KYC free. And on top of that, let me find you the promotion that's going on right now. Like I said, it's pretty cool. It's based on trading volume. The more you trade, you can win a nice Rolex. It's pretty cool, guys. But I just thought I would give you this quick review. I've been really enjoying Blofin and a quick tutorial on how to use it. If you want to pause the video, rewind, obviously, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I will be quick to try to get back to you guys. This is my leverage trading platform of choice at the moment, so that's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.